Embrace the future. AI is transforming the way we work and create. Today, we're exploring amazing tools that help you analyze content, generate images, compose music, and even see how you might look years from now. Think of AI as your productivity powerhouse and creative sidekick. Let's get started. Norton Genie. Safety first. Norton Genie is like an AI detective for your inbox. It scans texts, emails, and links to expose scams before you click, keeping you and your information secure. Claudio AI. Information overload. Claudio AI is your secret weapon. It cuts through lengthy documents, summarizing key points so you can make informed decisions faster. Think of it as your superpowered briefing assistant. OnePlus AI Studio. Imagine having your own AI band. OnePlus AI Studio transforms your text descriptions into custom music and matching videos. Unleash your inner musician, even if you don't play a single note. Microsoft Designer. The ultimate tool for visual thinkers. Microsoft Designer transforms your ideas into captivating posters, ads, and illustrations. It's like having a professional graphic designer powered by AI, GPTZero. In a world where AI can write articles and emails, how do you protect the authenticity of your work? Enter GPTZero. This tool analyzes text to reveal if it was written by a human or a machine. Time-traveling fun. Curious about your future self? This playful AI tool uses your photo to generate images of how you might look as you age. It's a fascinating glimpse into the future. Perplexity. Your AI companion is always ready. Perplexity harnesses the power of ChatGPT-4 to answer questions, solve problems, and complete tasks on the fly. It's a remarkable tool for getting things done quickly. Microsoft Copilot, ready to level up? Microsoft Copilot is your AI mission control, integrating ChatGPT-4, image generators, and more. It's like having a team of AI experts at your fingertips, streamlining just about anything. This is just the beginning. The world of AI tools is constantly expanding. Want to become an AI pro and discover how these technologies can change what you do? Hit subscribe and stay tuned for our upcoming AI series. Remember, AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to empower you.